Hi guys. So yeah, hi guys. So I'll be doing a different video than what I'm used to doing, and it's going to be kind of sort of a review, but really not. So yeah, um, and it's going to be talking about feminine products. So if you're a boy and you don't really want to see this, just come out. So I'm going to start off with talking about something that all girls should know at a certain age. So um I don't remember where I got this from. I think it was at school in guidance counseling class, but they taught us that we should have a pouch as a lady to have certain items in it, so that in case anything happen, any mishaps happen, we have something to fix it, you know. Yeah, no me talk. I need to. So this is my little pouch, and in my little pouch I have wipes, feminine wipes, cleansing wipes, good for the teeth, so it doesn't affect it and you get irritated and anything, so it's made for that. And yeah, this is them. I don't know if that's something I don't want to focus, but yeah, this is it. And that's wipes. I have underwear, and I'm going to show you my underwear. This is wrong. So yeah, skip that. I have underwear. I have napkins, regular old napkins, and I have a tampon. I show you here. That's how I have some plain for like over my house. Anyways, I have a tampon. Yes, I do wear tampon sometimes, like especially when I'm doing water. Tampon. And liners, which brings me to my influencer box, and I did get this as a complimentary product just to talk about and whatever. And yeah, influencer box from Carefree. That's it. Yeah, I don't want y'all to see my name and all that stuff, so yeah. And in the box it comes like this. In the box it has this pamphlet, and it has some instructions and a coupon for 50 cents off. I'll be using that soon. Yeah. And this little package of stuff, and these are panty liners, and I do wear them every day because the tagline is carefree, fresh is fierce. And yeah, stay fresh. We don't want no moldy friend. We don't play that game. So anyways, back to me. I wear these every day because it keeps you fresh and clean. I actually learned this from one of my dad's friend or old students. Yeah, my dad's friend daughter, she's in the army, and she said she wear this every day because you know she in the field and she can't bathe every day, or she on, you know, she in training, she can't bathe every day, something. So she wear these and she just change them, do a little wipe up and clean up, and yeah, and then she's fresh again. So I got it from her, and I do wear these every day. Yeah, so keeps me fresh. And I really like these are thin and they're comfortable. It's like they're not there. And yeah, another thing is it keep your underwear clean, because you know we don't do them dirty underwear stuff on there. And another part of my little pouch thing, I have lotion. This is the old Bath and Body, lotion. My kitten, I have a kitten or kittens in my room, so making noise. So I also have body wash. Yeah, for wash my hand, like you go in place there and them don't have no soap. School. Yeah, for wash your hand after you come out of the bathroom. So I have body wash, and I have a bar of soap just in case I staying over somebody else and I want to use my own soap. So I have that. It comes from Rio, the hotel. You know them soap, whatever. I have toothbrush and toothpaste. I have sensitivity, so I use Sensodyne. My travel toothbrush and a nail file because sometimes I break my nails. Well, not these, my real nails, because most of the time I wear my real nails. And you know, you have those hang nails that you just have to file or it snags on everything. Yes, I have that in my pouch. So yeah, that's a little thing about my pouch. And yeah, guys, you should check out this Carefree Antis. I, I, I don't know how to pronounce this word. Fresh body shape panty liners. I wear them every day. I suggest you wear them every day because it keeps you fresh and clean. And you know we all want to be fresh and clean. Who doesn't? What I'm saying? Punani on fleek. Yeah, punani on fleek. But yeah, even if you don't have a boyfriend or anything like that, just keep your area clean. It's your area. You need it to stay clean. So wear liners. Okay. Alright guys, so enough of me being all weird talking to you. Yeah, bye guys. So that's it from my little girl pouch talk and my influencer box. Yeah, my first influencer box actually, because I just started to use it. I had the influencer for a while now, so I just started to use it. So yeah, anyways, that's it. So I suggest all females to have a little pouch in their bag in case of anything. Probably on the road and forgot that your period's supposed to come. You have underwear to just change it and make yourself be fresh and clean. And you have a little sanitary or any backups for if you're going on the road and you have to stay over somebody's house for some strange reason. I don't know, things happen. And you have to bathe and brush your teeth. You have all of that. You're not going to borrow nobody toothbrush, which is a no-no, just in case people out there do that. So yeah, I'm sweating guys. I need to turn on the fan. So yeah, pack a pouch and carry your stuff with you everywhere so you are sure to have something with you. And you can put a little needle and thread just in case you have some in there. I don't have needle and thread because I don't really wear clothes that need to sew or go anywhere for it to be snagging on things. I don't really go nowhere. I go to school and come home. So yeah, anyways, bye guys. Thanks for having me, and remember to wear the best you for the world to see. Remember, wear it like a fresh clean underwear. Wear the best you for the world to see. Love you guys. Bye.